Hi guys, it's Laura over here at Laser of Love Creations, and I just wanted to jump on real quick to just do a little video regarding my new level that I received today. It is a Starrett pocket level, 2.5 inches in length, and it's a satin nickel plated finish, has convex ends. And the reason why I purchased this is because the other day I was watching Laser Everything on YouTube, and they have Laser Everything TV, which is a continuous show. I shouldn't call it a show. It just has lots of information pertaining to lasers and different experiments that they do and different show and tells on the lasers. Lots of information, great content, and funny guys. I really enjoy listening to them, and their banter and their friendship is great. Anyway, you'll find Alex, Kyle, Boyce, and Matt over on Laser Everything on YouTube. They go live every Tuesday evening, approximately 9-ish, maybe 9:05, 9:10, give or take. Anyway, it's great fun. They have a Master Academy on YouTube as well, with all kinds of tutorials on Lightburn and different lasers, and yeah, check them out. Laser Everything, you'll be glad you did. So anyway, I bought this this level because Alex was talking about the different levels that are available out on the market, and sure enough, the first level that he mentioned that he said was not accurate at all was my current level that I was using all the time. So that would explain why sometimes I was not getting the results that I truly wanted to get. So on his advice, I went onto Amazon right away, and I put in the name Starrett pocket level, and there were a couple of different ones out there. I got the one that was 2.5 inches in length, simply because I thought, you know, that's pretty much all I would need, and I wouldn't need anything longer than that. Also, it comes in this really nice box, and I know that Alex did mention that due to its cost and the fact that it's only 2.5 inches long, it's best to keep it in a safe location. Once you're done using it, you know, put it away. So I'm going to have to remember to put it away. I will be keeping this box, which is kind of fancy. Anyway, so I've untaped it, and let's see what we have. So the first thing I noticed is that it does have some weight, and it is ergonomic simply because of the shape you can see here. And it does have these really nice beveled edges here. So perfect size if you want to put it in your pocket. I do tend to put things in my pocket when I'm working, so this will be quite handy to do that. I know that, you know, it is small in size, doesn't have any sharp edges, so it is easy to carry. Another thing is that it has this glass vial here, so that will eliminate, you know, any scratches that could occur, which is really nice. I guess it's going to be making it a perfect tool for all of my alignment on my tumblers, because I have a pie burn, and I do engrave tumblers, and it's really important for me to ensure that my tumbler is straight so that my graphics go the length of the cup just as I would like them to be. So thanks, Alex, for suggesting this. I greatly appreciate it. Your experience and your expertise in all things laser is just astounding, and I enjoy tuning into the channel every opportunity that I can, especially on Tuesday evenings, best night of the week. And thanks again. Appreciate you, Kyle, Matt, and Boyce. And this is awkward. First time doing a little video, so thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great night. Check out Laser Everything for all things laser.